Hello. You may have noticed I've gone black and white. I got fed up with twiddling things. I've got a green top on his in. The colours all go peculiar. So we've gone monochrome. This is the old-fashioned ways, like when I grew up. And I've bought you another cup of tea. A nice hot one. So, off we go. Question number 17. In 7 years' time, I will be X years old. So at the moment you get one of these things, first thing you do is draw yourself a timeline. Accuracy is everything. And you put in now. Now, whenever we use the word is, we're talking about now. Okay, so watch out for that. So in 7 years' time, I will be X years old. So this is the future side. And I'm going to be X. And I'm just going to write plus 7, so I know that. And then how old was I 11 years ago? So we want to go there. Now the thing is now we feel very comfortable with now because we live in the now, don't we? Story time. Now we do everything in the now. What's past is past. Can't do anything about it. The future, you've no idea what hand you'll get. The only thing you can change or do anything about is now. A little bit of philosophy for you. So, but the problem with now is now's constantly changing. We're comfortable with it. It feels solid, but it's a remarkably ephemeral kind of thing. So if I say now, it's already in the past. If I say now in the future, now, it's in the past. See what I mean? It just sort of is there and gone. But X is a definite. We've no idea what it is, but it's a definite. And we tend to call it X as in Xmas. Now, I know a lot of people don't like Xmas, but apparently they used that in the 1st century. So it is an ancient tradition. I may have made that up, but a theologian told me something like that. Okay, so I was being sniffy about Xmas. But X is a definite because, as in Xmas, you get a Christmas present. And you know it's a present, and you can hear it, you can smell it, but you don't know what it is. But it's definitely a definite. You've got a present, you just don't know what it is. So that's why we use X. So somehow you've got to get from X, which you're absolutely sure of, but you're not sure what it is, you've got to get from X all the way to this question mark. I'm just going to write a little minus 11 there so that I remember. Because I'm forgetting everything at the moment. It's not good. Anyway, I digress. So we go from here, X. It takes us minus 7 going backwards to get to now. And then another minus 11 to get to there. So minus 7 to now, minus 11 to get to there. So that's altogether minus 18. But what minus 18? It's X minus 18. Can we go over that again? In 7 years' time, so here's our now, whoop, it'll be X years old. How old was it 11 years ago? So that's 11 years from now. There we are. So it is this 7 minus 7 gets us to now. Minus 11 is minus 18. X minus 18. Now, how do we remember this? This is the bit, if you come from a very straight-laced family, you might want to get your dad or your mum to check this bit first in case they're unhappy with it. Ladies, in years to come, God willing, one day you'll be pregnant and you'll be lying in the bath and you'll look down and, all you can see is your boobies and your tummy. And it's great because you get to play Hunt the Baby. It's not a difficult game. You go, where's the baby? There it is. I mean, it can't go far, can it? So you and you give a little rub. You say, I can see you. And then it goes, kick. Like, oh, you little so-and-so. And then you may, I know you're there. I mean, it's everywhere, but it's where it can kick that matters. And then it will give you an elbow over here. And you go, oh, ow, oh, wasn't expecting that. Oh, so much fun. And you've all played this game. You have all played Hunt the Baby with your mummy. It's the first game you ever played. And it's brilliant fun. It's great. So like I say, God willing, you'll get to play it again, but you've all played it and it's brilliant. But of course, you'll be lying in the bath and you'll look down and all you can see is your boobies and your tummy and your toes if you're lucky. So that's how you remember it. Gentlemen, it's a slightly less positive thing for you. You'll be in the shower one day, when you're about 30, and you'll look down and all you'll see is your man boobs and your tummy, and your willy will have disappeared. You'll remember me at that moment. You will. I will be in your head. And send me a postcard, won't you? Dear Sarah, guess what? It happened. I'll know what you mean. And so you look down there, and as I say, I'll be in your head. You go, oh no, my willy, it's disappeared. Where's it gone? And then say, Sarah, get out of the shower. You can't be in the shower with me. That's rude. Woo! And I've got no clothes on. Stop looking. And you go away. My willy, it's gone. Your wife will be outside the shower going, darling children, don't worry. Daddy's having a moment. It's a man thing. And they'll go, oh, has Daddy's willy disappeared? Well, in a manner of speaking. Shall I call an ambulance? No, don't call an ambulance. Has it gone down the plug hole? Does he need a plumber? No, just leave it. Sarah, get out of the shower. Get out. Has Daddy got somebody in there with him? No, darling. And his willy's gone missing. Who am I now? You get the picture. You'll have a crisis. So you've got a choice. You'll either go down to the gym and get reacquainted with your lifelong best friend, or you'll just say, bye-bye, old chap. Been nice knowing you. Choice is yours. Like I say, send me a postcard. Sad thought that, isn't it? I'll be dead and buried, and every time you have a shower and you've got a little bit plump, I'll be in your thoughts. Yeah, I think it's a nice thought, actually. But there we have it. So it is, how do you remember these things? Timeline, put in now, and then it's all in the boobies and the tummy. See you soon.